Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Virtual Center. Today we will see about open source applications. So before to start a session, please like it, subscribe it, share it and comment it so we will improve our sessions. Without wasting time, come to the point about open source applications. So nowadays open source applications are very demanded in corporate sector. So we'll see why open source and its a market demand. As we seeing on the screen, these are the open source coverage area in corporate sector. So they are covering by its demand. There are so many reasons to coverage of the it's come under the GNU. So because of this, it don't have a copyright. Second thing, it don't have an agreement for the rental base. So the user who is going to use, they no need to pay anything who has developed already. So third point, we have a choice to edit it in the kernel part and other activities. Because of this, so many versions are available for the open source same application. For example, Linux based system, if you take a open operating system called a Linux based operating system, you will get more than 500 of Linux based operating system with the different flavors. The coverage area of it's going to increase because of this the point under the GNU and the open source features, so that their research sector are in boom for the open source. Artificial intelligence also it's covering the almost corporate sector by the open source. Big data and Hadoop also came to the open source. Data science, in the recent technology, data science and Hadoop, these are very broad area and very popular. In this future scope are more. So if we are planning to have a good futures in IT sectors, so we can prefer open source technology, data science like big data, AI. Fifth point, applications and development. So application and development also are very broad categories in open source. For example, here also you can see in the screens, like these are the applications which is installed. I am using Ubuntu, so in these are open source operating system Ubuntu. So we have so many applications available here. That software center also there, we can install the applications, remove, update, all the things. IDs are available, system software integration. Here we can see category wise applications are available. Books also, magazines, tools, education, font, games, graphic, internet, office, science, engineering, sound, video systems, all the such a category wise we can see. So in the open source, because of the research and its market demand, they are covering all the things. So that is about the open source. Here the fifth is, so next is software applications. So as we know, the software is majorly categorized into three parts: system software, application software and development application and tools. So system software, the software which is responsible to run the system, called the system software. So as we know, the operating system, driver, database. So for example, operating system Ubuntu, Mint, Linux based operating system, Unix based operating system. These are the operating system categories and example for the open source application for which is come under the GNU. Next is driver are also part of the system software. So driver, for example, Wi-Fi driver, sound driver, CD DVD driver, pen drive driver. As we know, for all the for each and every hardware we have one driver software, that is called the system software. server. All the operating system have their own server. So similarly, open source applications also they have own servers called Apache, MySQL server, Ubuntu server, and so on. So many servers are available. Those are very famous, and there are some of them are built-in available when we purchase the system. For example, if you take a Ubuntu system, there will be Apache server in our Ubuntu system. So and next is system software called the database. So here very famous database called the MySQL database, as you know, and MongoDB, SQLite, PostgreSQL, SQL, and so on. So many very famous, and their broad categories and market coverage also very much. Second is application software. So application software, as we seen on the screen, in the last screen where the Ubuntu, we went to the software center. Those are the application software. So here the LibreOffice, OpenOffice, browser, audio video player, Quad Express. Here the Quad Express, this is similar to Core Ultra, which is available in the Windows operating system. Here in the open source application we have Quad Express, GIMP, which is similar to Photoshop, and Image Shoot, video editor, which is used for editing the videos. OpenOffice and LibreOffice, it is Office package, which is similar to Microsoft Office. And so many applications available category wise in our software center. There we have a choice to directly download or offline download also. Third, development application and tools, programming languages. So these are so many programming languages are covered by the open source in our corporate sector and market demand. Here some of them we are taking as an example, like PHP, Perl, Python, Typo3, MODX, Joomla, WordPress, PHP, BB, MyBB, JavaScript, etc. These are very famous application, programming application or development tools. Nowadays the Python boom are going on. Joomla, Python, and PHP. These booms are going on. So that's it. So please subscribe our channel, like it, comment it, and share it. So we'll improve our sessions. Thank you. Hope it will be useful. Thank you for watching us.